Hey, good evening, everybody. Ron Newsbaum here from BuilderComs. I'm going to go over how to set up your profile, your company. So there's a couple of different things that have to happen before you put anybody in here. You have to set up your profile. So just your name, details, how you want your name to come across, phone number, that kind of stuff, and your company. So if you don't set up your company and you come in and you create a customer or create anything, foreman, project manager, any of that, what ends up happening is they don't get the emails. It doesn't happen because you don't have an active company in here. So we got to make sure we set this up. So what we do is come in here. Let me update the website there real quick. So it's super easy to come in here and do this. You're going to have your company name, your company introduction, address. That stuff's all required information. Now, you can add a website, phone number, add your logo in here. You can add any services that you do. We have a whole list of them. So you just put that in there, confirm that, exit it, put in, remove, whatever you want to do. So this just goes to your profile. Now, you can also add a review. Where would you like any of your customers to send reviews? Put that right in there. Make sure you give it a name, i.e. Google, Instagram, Yelp, wherever that is. You can add multiples of these. So when you go into featured projects, a lot of guys are utilizing this to put in their builder's license and then their insurance. So all of that information's right in here. That homeowner can see it when they go in there. If they ask you, no more having to email that over. It just makes it a lot cleaner. Not my ID, but one that I really like is that. So make sure you do that, put in that information. And once you have it in there, it stays in that featured project. So you don't have to worry about continuing to add it to every project. It would just be there. So to review, set up your company before you send out any invites to customers, to crew guys, to other employees. Otherwise, that stuff will not get put through. And setting up your company is as easy as putting in company name, that introduction, website, phone number, logo, your address, any services that you do, and what's that company locate or that where you'd like those reviews set. So not rocket science. We keep everything really simple here at BuilderComs. That's one of the things I am really glad about, and that's just what we continue to do. So go out there. If you need anything, feel free to reach out to me, team@buildercoms.com. You can go on buildercoms.com and fill out our contact us form, and we will get back to you as soon as possible. We are here to help.